Hello, welcome to the Sheraz Seafood Quick Recipe video. Today, I will teach you how to make crispy fried fish, so let's start. Ingredients: sole fish fillet ½ kg, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, rice flour 125 grams, egg 1, crushed cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, allspice powder ½ tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, crushed red pepper 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, oil for fry. Method: put fish fillet in a bowl and marinate with 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon crushed cumin, ½ tablespoon allspice powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, and salt to taste. Lastly, add 1 egg and 125 grams rice flour. Coat very well and then deep fry till golden brown. Your yummy crispy fried fish recipe is ready to serve.